Hi, this is the VIVO Y21S and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first open the Albums application and select for example one from your photos which you want to hide. After that, tap on the three dots to more icon and click to hide. Now, just now to view our hidden photos, you should go to the album settings. Okay, so tap to hide, click here to the albums, tap switch photos to albums tab, tap to the settings icon and click here to hidden and you'll find all of your hidden photos. To unhide them by the same way, select them, click here to this crossed eye icon. Do I unhide one item? Yeah, confirm your action, go back, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.